Good morning, students. Welcome back. So once again, we are together related to the MySQL practicals. In the previous video, we have discussed about the select command, create command, update command, or alter command, and delete command. Today, we will work on the select command. How can we use the select command in the different manners? So we will perform all the practicals in the previous table. So before opening or before fetching the data from the previous table, you have to open the MySQL first. So to open the MySQL first, type the MySQL in the run dialog box. Now enter the password. The password is 1, numeric 1. Press enter. Now first of all, you have to go in that database where your table is exists. So your database is the NVN. Now database has been changed. Now you are in the NVN database. Now you have to fetch the data from the table. For that you have to apply the select command. Select all from the table name was student. Semicolon. Semicolon is used to terminate the command. Now data has been fetched. So there is only the single data. First of all, we will insert two or three more records in this table so that we can apply select command in the different manners. To enter the different records, we will apply the insert command. So insert into your table name, that is the student, values, or you can write the value also. First of all, you have to give the registration number, comma, name of the candidate like Amit, comma, age 25, comma, date of birth. We have to give date of birth in the single quotation or either in double quotation. First of all, you have to give the year, then month, then date. Let the example of date is the like 1989 or 11/5. Then comma, type the country. Country is the India. You can write anything, no problem. Semicolon, terminate the line. Query OK. Now insert the another record. If you want to use the previous command, then you have to press the up arrow key and the down arrow key to adjust the command. Now 103. Now take Anil, is like 20, or date of birth like 15, or India. Now there are three records now. So now we will apply the select command in the different manner. Suppose you have to fetch the record in the ascending order according to the name. You can see the records which are already in ascending order according to the registration number, but you want to display all these records according to the name in ascending order. So you have to write the select command. Select. Suppose you want to fetch only the one column, you can write the one column name. Suppose you want to fetch two column, then you can write the two column name. I want to fetch all the columns, means all the records, so that's why I'm applying here the all. Select all from student space. Now you have to write the here order by name, means that column by which you have to apply the ascending or descending order. You have to write that column here. So order by name. By default, if we are not applying the ascending or descending order, it will show your result in the ascending order. And suppose you want to show the data or record in the descending order, then you have to write. So no need to write ascending order, you can write or not. This is your choice. This is the optional, because by default it show the in the ascending order. So now you can see the result. Amit, Anil, or Naveen, they all are in the ascending order. You can write like this also, that will also display in the ascending order. And suppose you want to display in the descending order, then you have to write the DESC, descending order. Now you want to see all the records according to the registration number in descending order, write the registration number. So this is the order by clause, how you can use the order by clause to apply to show the record in the ascending or descending order. So अब बात करेंगे, ये तो हमारी हो गई order clause की. Now we will discuss about the, suppose they are 1 lakh records or 2 lakh record, 2 lakh records. How can we know the how many records in the database or in the table? So you have to apply the count function over there. So you have to apply the count function only in the select command. So write the select count. Now apply here the asterisk sign for the all. You can write the that column in which you feel that there is means there should be a value, like registration number means suppose in the registration number we have to apply we have applied the primary key, so you can write the registration column here, because you know very well the registration column cannot be empty if we are applying the primary key. So now write here the from your table name, that is the student, semicolon to terminate the line, press enter. Now there are 3 records. Now you can find the maximum minimum value by the help of maximum or minimum function also. So suppose you have to fetch that which is the maximum age, whose candidate having the maximum age. So you write here the max age from your table name, that is the student, semicolon, terminate the line, that is the 30. So you can change the column name also here. You have applied the maximum function and you can see that it is written there maximum age. Now you have to change the column name. So maximum age space as, write the column name whatever you want over there, like you want only the age or you want number of years, so you can write here the number of years, terminate the line, that is the 30. Now you can see the column name is number of years. Similarly for the minimum, right here the minimum function, you can apply the sum function also, you can apply the average function also, you can find the average. Average means we sum of the observation upon the number of observation. So these all are the function, like we have discussed the count, minimum, maximum, average, sum, and the order by clause. So that's it for today. So we will know the more about the MySQL in the next video. That's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.